Hey, this is Adam from Avants. We're here at Authentic Motorcars with Shannon Low. He's been giving people a tour of the shop. We've been going for rides and all kind of fun cars, like a Ferrari 328 and a Porsche 356B. So it's just been a really good time for people to get to know one another and go for rides in some really cool cars. Shannon, you want to give us a little bit of overview on Authentic Motorcars?
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Shannon Low. We founded Authentic Motorcars in June of last year, and we're a collection-based store. We handle European collector cars is our main focus, but we're open to American muscle cars, vintage SUVs, modern-day collectibles, and we do sales, storage, service. So we really want to be that one-stop shop for everybody. We can store your car, maintain it. When you go to sell the car, we've got a consignment program, and we just love cars here. So it's been a great adventure, and looking forward to the future.
Cool. All right. Thanks a lot, Shannon.